TexProtects, the Texas Association for the Protection of Children, is an organization dedicated to reducing and preventing child abuse and neglect through research, education, and advocacy. They teamed up with Alliance Data, its Epsilon business, and the University of Texas at Dallas to create the Texas Child Maltreatment Interactive Risk Map, or ZipRisk Map project, which identifies areas of Texas with the highest risk of child endangerment.
UT Design is an enhancement of the senior capstone program. It's a program that most universities have. Every senior engineering computer science student is required to do a capstone program. Ours is called UT Design. Alliance Data has been supporting this program for a couple years now, actually, and recently you supported TexProtects in a computer science project, which had a nonprofit feel to it. And this was the culmination of third project that you've now supported with us. And so this past project has been really successful.
Working together, the students, their mentors from Alliance Data, Epsilon, and TexProtects were able to transform that important data into an interactive tool that could help save lives.
I think the most exciting thing about this project is that it allowed TexProtects to leverage data in a really meaningful way. We were able to analyze variables that we know are associated with child maltreatment, such as past child maltreatment, child abuse and neglect fatalities, teen births, child poverty, and substance abuse rates, and map that on a zip code level so that you could zoom in on a specific neighborhood, you could look at a county, or you could look at the state as a whole and see the true demonstrated need for child abuse and neglect prevention services.
And beyond just compiling the data on where those services are most needed, the tool also helps users find those services. The Support Services tab on the map gives users access to current providers of support services for families. This includes a range of services from childcare to substance abuse treatment. This level of information is currently only available for Dallas County, but will eventually cover the entire state. Creating this important tool was also a rewarding experience for the students who helped make it happen.
The best part of the TexProtects project was that it was a nonprofit organization and we would be actually able to do some good in the community. Knowing that all of our work went into something that was actually useful was really rewarding for us.
TexProtects hopes that through this project, the outcome will truly be that the state will see the true need for child abuse and neglect prevention services in our state, and that we can take this research tool to the legislature and other decision makers to make the case for increased investments so that we can ultimately reduce and prevent child abuse and neglect in our state.
This tool will help TexProtects advocate for targeted community-specific evidence-based prevention programs and funding based on risk of child maltreatment, and give policymakers, philanthropists, and service providers information on targeting funds and services where they are needed most. TexProtects' ZipRisk Map represents a leap forward in eradicating child abuse across Texas.
As a funder for this project, Alliance Data truly feels this is a win-win-win, both for our associate mentors, for the UT Dallas students, and of course, for TexProtects.